Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can start a group chat on Metal TV in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So guys, launch Metal TV and here in the top right navigate to the direct messaging section by clicking into that speech bubble. And then instead of starting a conversation with one of your friends, select the option below, start group chat. Then your group will be created. Now let me just close that one here. Right. So click into the group and then guys, you will need to invite group chat participants first. You can add up to 1000 members as you can see. There are two ways how you can do this. You can, for example, click into that button here in the top right, add user. Or if you do this for the first time and just created a group, you will see that window here as well. So you either use that invitation link here to copy it to your clipboard and to invite someone to your group chat on Metal TV by sending it to the person. Or you can click into that button and go through your list of followers and friends and then select the one and add him or her to the group here to join your conversation and your group. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.